In the Philippines, a battle unfolded that would stain the sands with blood, a clash between two forces, where the unthinkable became reality. In the year 1521, Ferdinand Magellan and his soldiers embarked on a journey, believing their might would conquer all. But they had not met the relentless fury that awaited them. Lapu-Lapu, the chieftain of Mactan, led an army forged in fire, honed by generations of valor. They stood as an impenetrable wall, hidden from the eyes of those who underestimated them. Blades clashed, blood spilled, and cries echoed through the air. The invaders discovered that they were not facing mere men. They faced warriors fueled by a burning desire to protect their freedom. In the face of overwhelming odds, Magellan's expedition suffered a crushing defeat. From the shores of Mactan, a warning resonated through history. Never underestimate the strength of those fighting for their land, their people, and their very survival.